Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Magento extensions affecting UI Storefront, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Magento admin panel. Navigate to the Stores section located in the main menu. Select Configuration from the drop-down options. In the left sidebar, locate the Advanced section. Click on Advanced under the Advanced submenu. Here, you will see a list of currently installed modules. Identify the extension that you wish to uninstall. Take note of the module name for future reference. Now, exit the Magento admin panel and access your server via FTP or SSH. Navigate to the root directory of your Magento installation. Locate that app/code directory where your Magento extensions are stored. Find the folder corresponding to the module you want to remove. Delete the entire folder for the specified extension. Next, return to your Magento root directory. Open the composer.json file with a text editor. Search for the entry related to the extension you are uninstalling. Remove this entry from the composer.json file. Save the changes to the composer.json file. Next, you will update the Magento application. Run the command composer update in your terminal. Once the update completes, navigate back to your Magento root directory. Run the command bin/magento setup upgrade to refresh the application. After that, execute bin/magento cache clean to clear the cache. Finally, check your storefront to ensure the extension is no longer affecting the UI. If everything looks good, the uninstallation is complete. Remember to check for any leftover configurations in the database. You may want to delete any unused database entries related to the uninstalled extension. Now, your Magento installation should be free of the unwanted extension. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.